Good Tuesday morning, South Florida, and welcome to the official first day of a rainy season. And we sure felt the full force of rainy season yesterday with all the storms. Thankfully, this morning, we're actually seeing a little bit of sunshine as we check in on our CBS 4 camera out of Doral. And yeah, as we look from our Key West camera, it's a little more on the gloomy side with those clouds around. As we look at the radar and satellite, though, at least we're rain free from now, enjoying a break from all that wet weather we had yesterday. But that will not be the case later on today, so don't let your guard down. Still want to keep your umbrella close. Breeze out of the southeast, 6-10 miles an hour. Temperatures in the low to mid 70s in Broward and Dade County, upper 70s down through the Keys. And the reason we're not seeing the rain just yet is that we actually have this sliver of drier in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere, indicated by the red in our water vapor imagery. But there's still plenty of moisture around that. With the heating of the day, that's going to help to fuel some of those thunderstorms we're expecting later on. Right now, monitoring that area of low pressure in the eastern Gulf of Mexico, which does have a low chance of developing over the next few days, a 20% chance, and over the next 5 days, a 30% chance. So the Hurricane Center has lowered the chance of cyclone or subtropical cyclone formation with this disturbance. However, it will keep us unsettled with a good chance of showers and storms developing later on this morning, possibly around 9 a.m. We could see some scattered showers, and then especially as we get into lunchtime, 1, 2, 3 p.m. a heads up, there could be some downpours at times because of the fact that we're going to be warming up to the upper 80s, and there'll be some more peaks of sun, and all the ingredients could lead to some showers and passing storms as we head into the evening hours. So today, still the rain chance high, although not as widespread as yesterday. The temperatures could climb to the mid to upper 80s with those passing storms on and off again, showers and storms likely the rest of the week with some downpours at times because that moist tropical flow continues. Even through the weekend, we're going to see the chance for some more storms with that humid sunshine. In terms of rainfall potential, most models showing anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain, although some isolated areas could see anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rain, potentially up to 6 inches for some spots as we head throughout the week by the end of the week when all is said and done. Marine forecast looking good. No advisories. Winds out of the southeast 10 to 15. Tonight, spotty storms with some downpours, 75. And as we head throughout the rest of the week, we'll wake up to low to mid 70s, highs in the mid to upper 80s with storms likely through the weekend. So yeah, the start of the rainy season today through October 15th. On average, we see 70% of our annual rainfall during the wet season. And yeah, it's looking like a very wet start to the rainy season.